Understanding stalemate. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the term stalemate. You might have heard this word in different contexts, but what does it truly mean? Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Stalemate is a noun and primarily refers to a situation in which further action or progress by opposing or competing parties seems impossible. It's like a deadlock where neither side can make a decisive move or win. This term is often used in the context of chess, politics, negotiations, and other situations where two sides are competing. The term stalemate has its roots in chess, one of the oldest and most strategic board games in history. In chess, a stalemate occurs when one player's king is not in check, but that player cannot make any legal moves without placing their king in check. When this happens, the game ends in a draw. This concept of a draw or tie situation has extended beyond the chessboard to describe real-world scenarios where no progress can be made. To understand stalemate even better, let's look at some examples. 1. The negotiations between the two countries reached a stalemate, with neither side willing to compromise. 2. Despite hours of discussion, the committee was at a stalemate over the decision. 3. The chess match ended in a stalemate when neither player could checkmate the other. Sometimes, you might want to use another word that has a similar meaning to stalemate. Here are some synonyms: deadlock, standoff, impasse, draw. So, the next time you hear or read the word stalemate, remember that it's all about a situation where there's no clear way forward, much like a tied game of chess where neither player can make a winning move. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of stalemate for you. Stay curious and keep learning.